Hey baddies, welcome back to another video. Today I am back with another proving problem. So this word problem has a lot of powers and you guys can read it by yourself assumably because when I say a word too many times it sounds like it's not even a real word anymore. So you can pause the video to read it, but I'm going to get into solving it now. So if a and b are non-zero and n is a positive integer, so you know, or maybe you don't know, that if you have a number like a to the power of negative n would be equivalent to 1 over a to the power of n, in case you guys didn't know yet. So I'm going to put that little bit of thingy-me-jigabob in the corner, just for references, and move on to our solving. Because if a over b to the power of negative n, a over b to the power of negative n. And let's start solving this. So a to the power of negative n, so we're going to split it into the two halves. So it would be equivalent to a to the power of n over b to the power of negative n is 1 over b to the power of n. And as I said in a previous video, when you divide by a fraction, then it would basically be multiplied by the denominator. So this is basically equivalent to 1 over a to the power of n times b to the power of n. And this equation is then equivalent to b to the power of n over a to the power of n. And that solves our second half of the equation. But you might be asking, why is the problem asking why by showing that blah, 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 why did you solve that first? Be patient. So when you see this problem, this is equivalent to that, right? If we begin solving a over b to the power of negative n, you would basically be getting, since as I said, it would be swap the top and bottom, the numerator, denominator, whatever you want to call it. So then this would basically be equivalent to this equation, would be b over a to the power of n, right? So I'm going to add a little excerpt over here. Negative n. This is equivalent to that. So if we have this far now, what do we do next? We're going to make the powers onto the two halves, the numerator and the denominator. So b to the power of n over a to the power of n. B to the power of n over a to the power of n. And I'm going to give you guys a moment of contemplation because as you can see here, it's asking why this is equivalent to this. But as you can see, they both got the same final solution. So this basically, if this is equivalent to this, and this is also equivalent to this, then these two equations are also equivalent. So this is how you explain that a over b in parentheses to the power of negative n equals a to the power of negative n over b to the power of negative n. That was a real mouthful. But anyway, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys learned something new. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!